Lieven van der Sijpen from Delft University of Technology. I think it's really a great conference. It's the 6th installment now of Graphene Week, and it's become the main yearly tradition in the field, bringing together researchers from really a whole variety of backgrounds, discussing the opportunities of graphene.
Good evening, I'm Kostin Novoshelov. I'm from the University of Manchester. Well, this is already, there is quite a history of these kind of conferences. It's probably the 4th or the 3rd, and traditionally it brings together the most active part of the community. Unfortunately, we have to be selective here, so it's quite a competitive. But as far as I can see, most of the leading groups are presented here, and that's why once you get at this conference, you get the best slice of the really top science which is available at the moment.
I'm Jeannie Lau from University of California, Riverside, in California, United States. Oh, I think it has been great. I've seen so many great talks. So actually, I'm amazed at all the latest developments in this field just in the past year. Lots of development, both experimentally, theoretically, and even maybe some also in practical areas. It just, it's very, very exciting, and it's fascinating. It's a lot of fun, but it's also very nerve-wracking, because you think, maybe my research, how does my research compare to my peers?
I'm Vladimir Falco from Lancaster University. It's a very nice conference. Actually was the organizer of the previous part of the series, and I'm co-organizer of this one. And the conference is quite open. There are many discussions, and we had to move this conference to Delft because of a bigger location, because there is a demand in participation that we wanted to satisfy. The previous conferences varied in size, but the two run by SF were only for 100-115 participants, and this one has more than 350 participants.
My name is Marcos Pimenta. I'm from the University of Minas Gerais in Brazil. Yes, in fact, I'm very impressed, because I have been in the last 2 conferences of the Graphene Week, and this conference is a big conference, more than 2 times the number of participants of the last one. And I think that's a very good conference. Probably now the most important conference about graphene in the world.
My name is Rosica Yakimova, and I'm from Linköping University in Sweden. Actually, I'm much impressed by the acceleration in the graphene research. If we just consider the number of participants in this event, last year we had like 125 or something like that participants in the Graphene Week, and this year we have about 3 times more. So this is impressive. And from all over the world. We have not only from Europe. We have from the United States, from Korea, from Japan, etc.
Hi, my name is Pablo Jarillo Herrera, and I work at MIT. I think this conference is great. It puts together a great program, very good speakers. It's well attended, and I think it's helping a lot the graphene field. I think it's very good. There's a good mixture of somewhat longer talks, invited talks by people who are already more established. These are 40 minutes, which are a bit longer than typical invited talks at most conferences. And it's good because it allows the researcher to go a bit more in depth about the results and the data and explain things a bit more clearly. And then there is also a good combination of 20-minute talks given by younger researchers. We have heard plenty of talks given by postdocs and by graduate students, and I think it's great that the young people also have the opportunity to showcase their research.
My name is Dimitri Efetov, and I'm a PhD student in the group of Philip Kim at Columbia University. Well, I think it's a really nice conference, especially because the organizers have to seem like a good balance between actually the conference side, the poster sessions, and the socializing part, so there is still enough room to go and talk to all the colleagues. And also, of course, the quality of the talks given here is is also quite high. Well, this is like I think this is one of the biggest just graphene conferences in the world, and I'm coming here basically every year since the last 3 years, once a year. And it's for me, especially coming from the US, it's one of the rare opportunities to really come to Europe and socialize with my European colleagues. But also just in general, I think there's a good mix from graphene scientists all over the world. It's just a great opportunity to meet all those people.